Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the treatment history subpanel within the medical history screen. In this video, we will start on a medical history screen. For more information regarding the medical history screen, please refer to the medical history user manual linked in this video's description. Treatment history refers to a chronological record of a patient's past medical interventions, including procedures, medications, and therapies, which helps healthcare providers make informed decisions and ensure effective care management. Click on the Treatment History subpanel. The Treatment History subpanel will expand. We will now go over the various fields and buttons located within the Treatment History subpanel. You are able to add the patient's previous treatments by clicking on the Add Treatment button. Treatment description is a summary of treatment that the patient has previously undergone. Click on a treatment description field and complete the relevant information. Start date refers to the date the patient started the aforementioned treatment. Click on a start date, which will open the calendar, and select the applicable start date. End date refers to the date the patient ended the aforementioned treatment. Click on the end date field, which will open the calendar, and select the applicable end date. Place refers to the location or facility the patient has undergone treatment. Click on a place field and complete the relevant information. Doctor note refers to any additional information the practitioner would like to annotate for future references regarding this specific treatment. Click on the doctor field and complete the relevant information. If you wish to remove the treatment history entry, simply click on the red Remove button. The user is able to add as many treatment segments as necessary. Click on the Close button to exit the medical history screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the entries made and return to the diary screen.